Jackie Robinson Park with the Chicago Park District. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy treat with some fun fruit for the Christmas season. Why fruit, you say? Fruits provide nutrients vital for health and the maintenance of your body. Most fruits are naturally low in fat, sodium, and calories, and none have cholesterol. Fruits are sources of many essential nutrients that are underconsumed, including potassium, dietary fiber, vitamin C, as well as folic acid. Now that we got that out of the way, let's start the fun part. Today, we will be making the fun treat entitled The Grinch. As you can see, there are other characters or items that could be used using these same fruits. So, the Grinch, the items that I use will be a banana, grape, strawberry, as well as marshmallows. First, we will take a toothpick. As you can see, we'll take a grape, push it right into the toothpick. Next, we will add, pull it all the way through, as you can see. Next, we will grab a piece of banana. Then we will go to the strawberries and grab a piece of the strawberry that has the tip on it, which is the bottom of the strawberry. And add it right onto the toothpick as well, as such. Last but not least, you would just add the marshmallow. And there you have it, a fun Christmas treat for all to enjoy. Thanks for joining me today.